Hey everyone, welcome back to CSS tutorial for complete beginners. Today we're going to learn how to use border in HTML website by using CSS. It's a very simple process. What you have to do, you need to come over into the CSS folder, and then here what you have to do, you have to p tag, and then we can simply give the curly brackets, and then here we can simply type border dash style. And then here we can simply type over here out set, and you can save it. And now if you refresh over here, as you can see, there is a border into our paragraph text. Also, we can do some customization. We can simply type over here border width, and then we can simply give the border width into 5 pixels, and we can save it. And if you just scroll down, if you just refresh it, as you can see, we expand the border width with the 5 pixels. And now if we want to give this border a color, what you can do, we can simply type border.color, and then we can give the color as gold. Maybe we give a golden road, but we can leave it as gold. We can save it, and if you refresh it, as you can see, into the border we colored as gold. And then into the border colored, we can or you can use a border dash radius, and then we can simply type over here 10 pixel. We can save it, and if you refresh it over here like this, as you can see, it's a little bit curved over here, as you can see. So now if you just type over here padding, and into the padding we can simply type 5px. We can simply save it, and now if you refresh it, it will looks like this. Into the border we need space, that's why we created a padding difference into 5 pixels. That's why it's showing like this. Also, we will do something to the heading side. So here you can simply type h with this curl bracket, and we can simply give border dash top, and we can simply give another dash to style, and we can give the style as dotted. We can simply give it dotted. We can also give some specific one. We can simply give so we can save it, and if we just reload it, you can save it over here like this. Oh, we need to give the h1 tag over here, immediately mistake. And if we just scroll, if we refresh it, as you can see, it's over the learning CSS we create some dotted. Also, we will do the same to the bottom. We can simply type border dash bottom and create style dotted. You can save it, and now if you refresh it, it will looks like this. Also, we can do another one called border dash left. Into the left side we're going to give the style. So for that we're going to give it border left style, and we'll give the dotted over here as well. Save it, and now if you just refresh it, you can see the dotted over here. So after that, what we can do, we can do the same for the right side as well. So what we can do, we can give the border right style dotted, and save it and refresh it. As you can see, we give the border at the right side dotted as well. And now we're going to give it a color. So for that we're going to type over here border top style. We can give a color and then we can give the color as silver. And if we save it, and now if we refresh it, as you can see, we give them a silver color. We can give different color. We can give sky blue, save it, and if we refresh it, it will give this kind of color over here. Also, we can do it for the left side, bottom side, and the right side with the same style. So if we now do a different one, like we can simply give the border left width, and we can give the width as 10 pixels. We can save it, and now if you refresh it, it will looks like this, as you can see. So yeah, this is how we can simply do customization in borders in HTML with CSS. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.